8D Tab. It is an entertainment-ready tablet with 13 hours of battery life and a crisp 8-inch display for binge-watching videos. This tab has a 1280 by 800 resolution that offers crisp, precise HD content reproduction, and its thin bezels provide a more immersive viewing experience. It is powered by a 2.0 GHz Snapdragon 429 quad-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of built-in storage, which is expandable by up to 512 GB via its microSD card slot. Users can also take selfies and pictures using its front 2-megapixel and rear 8-megapixel cameras. Connectivity options include a 3.5mm audio jack, 802.11ac Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2. The operating system installed is Android 9.0 Pie. Plus, a dedicated SD card slot allows up to 512 GB more, so you can keep all your memories in one place. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 tablet features a 10.4-inch TFT display, which features a 2000 by 1200 resolution. The quad speakers provide support for Dolby Atmos surround sound. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 8-core processor, 3 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, and integrated Qualcomm Adreno 610 graphics. Stay connected with Wi-Fi and sync wireless accessories via Bluetooth. For cameras, this tablet features a 5-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. You can then expand it with a microSD card or even more storage, up to 1 TB. Further, it uses an extended 7040 mAh battery to power you through the day, and when you're running low, 15-watt fast charging will quickly get you back to 100%. Go where inspiration takes you with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Fit for all types of users, its 10.4-inch display has a 2000 by 1200 resolution for precise details. Whether you're viewing documents, completing your latest masterpiece, or simply watching a movie, the included S Pen stylus can be used to compose and edit documents, drawing, and much more. It is equipped with a Samsung Exynos 9610 8-core processor with integrated graphics and 4 GB of RAM. Users will have 64 GB of storage with this model and can expand it via the microSD slot. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, 3.5mm audio jack, and a USB 2.0 Type-C port for changing and transferring data. Moreover, the dual speakers are tuned by AKG Supply Spacious Dolby Atmos surround sound for an immersive listening experience. Enjoy movies, TV shows, and even the helping hand of AI with the Galaxy Tab S5e tablet from Samsung. Built with Bixby and Google Assistant, it can assist you in everyday tasks, such as managing your calendar or turning on your front porch light. Users can also navigate their smart home setup using a compatible app, and much more using the tablet's 10.5-inch 2560 by 1660 Super AMOLED display. Aside from multimedia uses, this tablet can also tackle plenty of apps and multitasking with its 2.0 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 8-core processor and 4 GB of RAM. It has 64 GB built in for storage, but users can install up to a 512 GB microSD card for additional room. A built-in 7040 mAh battery provides you with up to 14.5 hours of use on a full charge. It also has fast charging technology to help you get going as quickly as possible. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 tablet is a well-rounded tablet designed with creativity in mind. Thanks to the included S Pen stylus, which has 4096 pressure sensitivity levels, users can confidently write and draw. Meanwhile, its 10-inch 1600 by 2560 AMOLED display and quad speaker setup offer users an enjoyable experience whether they're watching movies or playing games. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8150 8-core processor, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and integrated Qualcomm Adreno graphics. Other integrated features include 802.11ac Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, an 8-megapixel front camera, and dual rear cameras. It features one front-facing 8-megapixel camera and dual wide and ultra-wide rear cameras. The 7040 mAh battery is rated for 15 hours of video playback for all-day use, and when it's running low, use the included USB Type-C cable to recharge it. On the other hand, it has an on-screen optical fingerprint sensor that lets users quickly and securely unlock their device with just a touch. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus tablet. You will be able to watch movies, sketch drawings, and edit photos on the 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display, which features a 2800 by 1752 resolution. Now featuring a 120Hz refresh rate, it provides smooth scrolling and an immersive gaming experience. The included S Pen is improved, now featuring a rounded form factor and an elongated tip, providing a natural writing and drawing experience. The quad speakers are tuned by AKG and provide support for Dolby Atmos surround sound. This tablet is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus 8-core processor, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and integrated Qualcomm Adreno 650 graphics. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6 and sync wireless accessories via Bluetooth 5.0. It features a wide 13-megapixel and an ultra-wide 5-megapixel dual rear cameras.